Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix not safe for view content grid on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So, for example, as you can see, this content is grid, and how I'm gonna fix it. Uh, for example, I will copy this link, it will need us in the future, and what we need to do, open our profile menu, go to settings, and here find profile, privacy, and in privacy, in preference. In preference you can see blur, mature, images, and media. So if we turn it off, and now we will go to this link which I was copying recently. As you can see, this is no longer grid. So the solution is just to turn off blur, mature images, and media. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.